Hello दोस्तों, today we will learn about the replication process. Replication process is autocatalytic process. It means the formation of DNA to DNA. Eukaryotes have multi-replicon and the prokaryotes have monoreplicon. What is the meaning of replicon? Replicon is the distance between the site of replication and the terminal. Eukaryotes have 6.6 into 10 raised to power 9 base pairs. Some steps are involved in the replication process. So let's start. In the first step, helicase enzyme unwind the DNA strand by breaking the hydrogen bond. It just breaks the hydrogen bond. SSBP single strand binding protein comes to prevent further binding. It attaches the DNA strand to prevent the further binding of the hydrogen bonds. DNA primase. DNA primase synthesize primers and the primers are attached at the end of 3' end. Here SSBP is attached because of nucleotides are at the same place. So it can also form hydrogen bond further. So to prevent the further binding, SSBP come and attach the DNA strand. Topoisomerase. In the plant, we say this DNA gyrase. It helps in removal of supercoiling. If we unwind the DNA from here, then the DNA starts the supercoiling. To prevent it, topoisomerase help in it. This is the topoisomerase enzyme. DNA polymerase third. It performs the polymerization activity in the prokaryotes. But in the case of eukaryotes, DNA pol delta and the epsilon perform the polymerization activity. Polymerization activity means the formation of DNA. Here is your DNA strand. This is the topoisomerase and these are the primers. This is the alpha unit and this is also a alpha unit. This is the structure of DNA polymerase third. Here is your DNA polymerase third structure. These are the alpha units and these alpha units are attached with the tau unit. The one alpha unit attached with this strand and the other alpha unit attached with this strand. This is the 5' end and this is the 3' end. DNA polymerase always bind with 3' end. So here is a 3' end and DNA polymerase structure bind here. If this is a 5' end, so here is also a 3' end. That's why the alpha unit bind here. If this alpha unit polymerize in this direction and this alpha unit polymerize the DNA in this direction, so it will move here and this will move here, then it is stretched. That's why if this alpha unit move here, so it ये वाली अल्फ़ा यूनिट यहाँ आ जाएगी और ये वाली अल्फ़ा यूनिट यहाँ पहुँच जाएगी, तो ऐसे तो स्ट्रक्चर टूट जाएगा ना, इसलिए इसको पीछे की तरफ जंप करवाएगा। ये यहाँ से यहाँ पहुँच जाएगा, फिर ये यहाँ पे स्ट्रैंड फॉर्म करेगा इस डायरेक्शन में और ये फिर आगे की तरफ स्ट्रैंड फॉर्म करेगा। फिर जब स्ट्रेचिंग होगी फिर इसे जंप कराएगा पीछे की तरफ। इसी वजह से हमारे यहाँ पर ओकाज़ाकी फ्रेगमेंट्स बनते हैं। दैट्स वाई वी कॉल दिस स्ट्रैंड इज़ लीडिंग स्ट्रैंड एंड दिस स्ट्रैंड इज़ लैगिंग स्ट्रैंड. After that, DNA polymerase first comes and remove the primers in prokaryotes and fill the gaps. But in the case of eukaryotes, helicase H remove the primers because eukaryotes are specific. So रिमूव करने का काम हेलिकेज H करेगा एंड द गैप को फिल करने का काम हमारा DNA पॉलीमरेज अल्फ़ा करेगा. अब जो हमारी ओकाज़ाकी फ्रेगमेंट्स रह गई है, DNA लाइगेज join the Okazaki fragments with the phosphodiester bonds in the prokaryotes and the eukaryotes. Here is your types of DNA polymerase in prokaryotes. DNA polymerase 1, DNA polymerase 2 and DNA polymerase 3. DNA polymerase 4 and 5 are also here, but In our syllabus this is not given, so we will study only these three DNA polymerase. DNA polymerase 1 perform the proofreading activity from 3' to 5' direction. What is the meaning of proofreading? Proofreading means the removal of nucleotides. DNA polymerase can perform the proofreading, and DNA polymerase 1 can perform proofreading in the both direction, 3' to 5' direction and the 5' to 3' direction. It performs the polymerization activity in the 5' to 3' direction, and the processivity, it has processivity 50 nucleotide per second. It means it can attach 50 nucleotides per second. DNA polymerase second. It performs proofreading activity from 3' to 5' direction, and the polymerization activity is 5' to 3' direction. DNA polymerase third used in the replication process because it has high processivity 2000 nucleotide per second. It also performs proofreading activity from 3' to 5' direction, and the polymerization activity in 5' to 3' direction. Here is a note. DNA polymerase need 3' end to form new DNA strand or the perform the polymerization activity. That's why it always form the DNA, new strand of DNA in the 5' to 3' direction. In prokaryotes, ants are also synthesized during the process of replication because there is circular DNA in the prokaryotes. But in the case of eukaryotes, there is linear DNA. DNA polymerase attach only 3' end. It can't synthesize the 5' end. That's why 5' end exposed, and the telomerase enzyme can synthesize the 5' end, but it is not found in our body. This is the only reason why we become old. In the absence of This is the only reason why we become old. In the absence of telomerase enzyme, aging gene express itself.